PaidViewpoint legit as a server site, or is that a waste of time? Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Random Rewards. Today we're gonna figure out if PaidViewpoint is actually legit or scam platform. Now, what is PaidViewpoint? Well, this is one of the best survey sites that I ever come across. Just by searching survey site, you gonna find this at the top on the Play Store. At the Play Store, it has 100k, more than 100k downloads and 4.7 ratings, and most of their review is very positive. Creating an account is pretty easy. Just put your Gmail address and password, a couple of personal questions, and you're going to have a new account. I already have the account. I'm gonna log in, show you what it has to offer. Okay, so the first positive fact is their platform, both their app and the website is pretty good user interface, pretty optimized, and there is so much updates and ongoing right now on the PaidViewpoint, both the app and the website. So this is their dashboard. As you can see, I don't have any survey at the moment, but you can see my earnings amount in the trust score. I'll go each of them in a minute shortly. And of course, you can refer other people if you want to. Tapping in the earning section, okay, in the earning section you can see that how much did I earn and the lifetime earnings I had at the moment. The first time cash out threshold is $15, so I didn't even manage to reach $15, and this is quite high, but the more you do, the more you earn at their platform and cash out, the lesser threshold you will have. I believe that will be down to $5, just like Survey Junkie. I will make a separate video about that, so just subscribe my channel so you don't miss that video. So yeah, I just didn't reach the threshold. I'm just still waiting, and even though they are very the best service site out there, their earning potential is very less and very limited. Here, of course, you have to reach $15 in order to cash out at the beginning. But as I said before, that will be lower down in the road. Tapping in the friends section, these are their refer sections where you will get refer percentage wise if you refer somebody. please consider to use my link if you can. I believe you will get some sort of bonus if you using somebody's link to sign up. And that's pretty much it. At the moment I don't have any earnings. It's because they're not giving any survey. The way you will get the survey is by getting email. So email based. You have to do the survey via email that you gonna provide during the sign up process. Tapping in the top right corner. Here, of course, you have profile and the trust score and the settings, and you can reach their customer support if you want to. In their settings, they have personal information, notifications, how frequent do you like to get their message in your inbox. Other is just you might want to add social media at their app, and also themes if you like to, and modify it yourself. The task support thing, this is just the best I understand is just used to boost the earnings, and this is pretty new, so I believe nobody has that idea either, but this is just boosting your earning. Because of this you will get survey that's can be done in couple seconds. Of course, you will receive the reward will be couple penny only. So that helps that boosts your ultimate earnings and your lifetime income. So I guess this is their way to give people bonus. So what's my final verdict? Well, PaidViewpoint is the best service at the moment because you will never disqualified. All of the survey you get, that's the guarantee qualified survey. Guarantee, because all of them is just personalized, making this unique to you only. So this pretty helpful. However, their earning is very limited, and there will be days you're not gonna get any survey either. So this is something to consider. So while this is great platform, but their earning can be limited, and reaching this threshold might take a long time. One headache is you need to keep your open eye on the inbox at your email to receive their emails. So it's very important to consider. But overall, this is a great platform, and you can use my link to sign up. That way I will get something and you will get something. Win-win situations. Yeah, be sure to watch my other video and use my other links to sign up. Okay, don't miss the bonus. And thanks for watching. Peace out for now.